Good morning, friends. Today we are study about properties of inverse trigonometric functions. सबसे पहले हम लोग सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टीज y इक्वल्स टू साइन इनवर्स ऑफ साइन एक्स के बारे में जानेंगे. इसको ग्राफ के माध्यम से जानेंगे. सो हाउ कैसे साइन इनवर्स ऑफ साइन एक्स का ग्राफ ड्रॉ किया जाए. So for remember, we make here sine. This is treated as sin x graph. But here, what we make here? We make here like this. We write the intervals. First pi by 2. What a period? So if anyone asks what the period of this sine inverse of sin x, so any composite function f of g of x means f of g of x. If you ask what the period of this function, then what the period of this fog is nothing but period of fog is equal to period of g of x. So similarly, if anyone asks what a period of sine inverse x, so sine inverse of sine x का period क्या होगा? Period of sine x होगा. So already we know sine x period is 2 pi. So here also 2 pi we can take. So we draw here now pi by 2, pi, then 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. Once again we write here little bigger to understand pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi. Similarly this side also we can write here minus pi by 2 minus pi minus 3 pi by 2 and minus 2 pi. Now we draw the graph of y equals to sine inverse of sine x. So we draw first here we write one lines here y equals to pi by 2. Similarly down we can write one lines y equals to minus pi by 2. Now we draw graph here. So this is one. We write like that. Similarly here like that. And this side here minus 1. And here this. This is the y equals to sine inverse of sine x. Now here this line is called y equals to x and this line is called slope is minus x and they are going to meet here pi, so plus pi. Similarly here y equals to this up to here they will go like that, so y equals to x minus 2 pi. Similarly this side y equals to minus x and going on this down minus pi, and this graph y equals to x plus 2 pi. So this is the graph of y equals to sine inverse x. For anyone they will ask sine inverse of sine 1 degree, sine inverse of sine 2 degree, sine inverse of sine 3 and sine inverse of sine 4, sine inverse of sine 5. How to find? So first what we do, sine inverse of sine 1. So sine 1 degree, this is nothing but 3.14, 1.5, 3.14 by 2 is 1.57. So this is 1.57, 3.14 and this is 1.57 into 3, 4.56 or something, and this is nothing but 6.28 up to sine inverse of sine 6 radian. Yes. Now I ask sine 1. Sine 1 means here 1.5 here somewhere. So this line is come here. Y equals to x. Means replace of this y is 1. So what we write here 1. Similarly sine 2. Sine 2 is lies here 1.5 here somewhere. So we come here. And what is here? Minus x plus pi. So minus x means minus 2 plus pi. Or we can write pi minus 2. Similarly sine 3 means sine 3 is here will come. Again minus x plus pi. Means replace of x you write minus 3. So minus 3 plus pi means pi minus 3. Similarly sine 4. So sine 4 is here 4.6 this line. So again minus x plus pi. So minus x means minus 4 plus pi means pi minus 4. Similarly sine inverse of sine 5. So sine 5 will become here somewhere here. So this line equation is nothing but x minus. So 5 minus 2 pi. And similarly they will ask sine 6. So sine 6 also they lies in this line only. So 6 minus 2 pi. So this is the graph of sine inverse of sine x. And basically we can define sine inverse of sine x like that. Sine inverse of sine x. If x is lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, answer is x. If x is lies between here this interval pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2, x is lies between pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2, then minus x plus pi. Similarly 3 pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 to 5 pi by 2, this is the 5 pi by 2. So 3 pi by 2 to x is 5 pi by 2. So then this is nothing but x minus 2 pi. Similarly this side also. Now we go to y equals to cos inverse of cos x. Next graph is y equals to cos inverse of cos x. How to draw this graph y equals to cos inverse of cos x? So we draw here. क्या करना है इसमें? एक नंबर लाइन बनाना है और यहाँ ऐसे. Already what a period of cos inverse cos x. So cos inverse of cos x का पीरियड देने के लिए हमको उसके अंदर इनसाइड फंक्शन जो है g of x, यहाँ cos x है, उसका पीरियड. सो cos x का हम लोग पीरियड जानते हैं 2 पाई होता है. इसका भी पीरियड 2 पाई ही होगा. सो वी ड्रॉ हियर पाई, देन 2 पाई, then 3 pi and 4 pi. Similarly this side we can make minus pi, minus 2 pi, minus 3 pi and minus 4 pi. इसका ग्राफ बनाने के लिए हमको यहाँ पाई ही होगा. So this is pi, फिर से यहाँ पाई हो गया, this is pi. इसी तरह से यहाँ भी पाई हो गया और यहाँ भी पाई. अब इक्वेशन क्या है इसका? y equals to x है ये. This is y equals to minus x plus 2 pi and this is y equals to x minus 2 pi and y equals to this is minus x plus 4 pi हो गया. Similarly here y equals to minus x, here y equals to x plus 2 pi, यहाँ y equals to minus x minus 2 pi and here y equals to x plus 4 pi. यहाँ भी they will ask cos inverse of cos x, sorry cos 1 degree, cos inverse of cos 3 degree, cos inverse of cos 5 degree, cos inverse of cos 8 degree and cos inverse of cos 10 डिग्री. अगर पूछता है तो कैसे करेंगे? 1 डिग्री, ये मेरा 3.14 हो गया, 6.28 6.28 9.42 12.56, for example. Approximate I will write. So first cos 1 means here, somewhere here. So y equals to x means 1. Then cos 3 is again same here. So y equals to 3. Cos 5 means 6.21 means here. So this is minus x means minus 5 plus 2 pi. It's 2 pi minus 5. Similarly, cos 8 degree is nothing but 8 degree 9.42, 8 this line. So 8 means what we write here, 8 minus 2 pi. और 10 के लिए क्या करना है, 10 means 9.42 means this line. So minus 10 plus 4 pi. So like this we can do cos inverse x also. So thank you so much. Next class we discuss.